Welcome back again to another video. It is another beautiful day to thank God. One Africa, one love, one nation. It is your African boy bringing you African success stories. And if you like our content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Kenya's Nyayo National Stadium, a multi-purpose facility opened in 1983, has undergone a sweeping facelift to meet CAF's stringent requirement ahead of the African Nation Championship CHAN set for August 2nd to 30th, 2025, tasked with co-hosting alongside Uganda, Tanzania. Kenya designated Nyayo alongside Moi International Sports Center, Kasarani, as one of its principal venues. Major refurbishment began in August 2024 under the auspices of the Kenya Defence Forces (KDF), backed by the Ministries of Defence and Sports. The renovation was officially handed over on July 16, 2025, with Sports CS Salim Vuria and Defense CS Soipantuya presiding over the ceremony. CAF inspection had begun as early as late 2024, where the stadium's lighting, seating, canopy, VAR infrastructure and pitch condition underwent scrutiny. By September, government pledged full readiness by December. The pitch has been completely regraded with perimeter drainage added to meet CAF standards. Initially, concerns prompted discussion over turf replacement. Eventually, CAF inspectors approved the restored grass with improved drainage. New floodlight towers now deliver up to 3,000 racks, meeting CAF's requirement for night matches and training sessions. One mast was already operational during inspection in early 2025. VIP, VVIP and public terraces have been upgraded with new seating and grass railing. Canopy work over the VIP entrance and tunnel has been completed. Further canopy installations are scheduled post-CHAN in preparation for AFCON 2027. Turnstile and access control were also repaired or upgraded. A new media tribune and center accommodates up to 150 journalists, offering workstations and a dedicated cameraman's area beneath the roof. VAR and goal line technology has also been integrated with match control systems, now permanent installations for local leagues beyond CHAN. Air-conditioned dressing rooms now include personal safes, cold bath fridges, massage rooms, and enhanced ventilation. A dedicated referee room and an anti-doping control area with privacy provisions are in place. Medical rooms located alongside doping control rooms now meet CAF specifications. Nyayo National Stadium's renovation also includes significant improvements to its entrance, sanitary facilities, team areas, and the vertical access. The main entrance were upgraded with modern turnstile and access control system to improve crowd flow and security, while VIP and prayers entry point received new canopy covers and enhanced signage. Toilets across all spectator tiers were expanded and modernized, now featuring improved plumbing, better lighting, and dedicated facilities for persons with disabilities. Team rooms, both home and away, were fully refurbished with air conditioning, individual lockers, massage tables, ice baths, and private showers. These upgrades contribute to more inclusive, efficient, and professional environment for players, staff, and fans alike. CCTV coverage more than doubled from 70 to 150 cameras, feeding into a centralized control room and venue operation center to manage crowd safety and technical operations. By mid-July 2025, CAF had approved Nyayo Stadium for key Group A and C fixtures, including Morocco vs Angola, DRC vs Zambia, and Algeria vs Niger. The facility is considered match fit and officially handed over to the local organizing committee in the final pre-tournament phase. The timely delivery of these upgrades has been hailed as a testament to Kenya's ability to honor international commitments. As early as January 2025, observers noted this readiness as strong signal of professionalism and planning capability. Indeed, in March 2025, Nyayo Stadium hosted the Harambee Stars vs Gabon World Cup qualifiers, which sold out its 30,000 seat capacity, demonstrating the functionality and spectator appeal of the renovated venue. With all core CAF benchmarks met, Nyayo National Stadium is fully equipped from media facilities and VAR technology through to lighting and crowd infrastructure for CHAN 2025. The stadium's infrastructure overhaul also lays the groundwork for hosting matches during AFCON 2027. Including further canopy and safety installations post-CHAN. Equally important, the coordination between KDF, Sports Ministry, and CHAN Rock shows an institutional capability to deliver large-scale sporting investment on schedule. Kenyan fans can look forward to a world-class match experience, and the international community now sees Kenya as a host that can deliver on its infrastructure and organizational promises. In short, Nyayo National Stadium is tournament ready, offering a modernized, secure, broadcast-capable venue with upgraded pitch, lighting, seating, media, and security infrastructure. It stands as a major success in Kenya's preparation for CHAN and future continental tournaments. Remember to subscribe to our channel, share, and comment. Let's meet in other videos.